It's a great day for a drive, especially in a 2022 F-150 XLT in Oxford white, black sport cloth interior, seating for 5, 4 doors, and it has a 5.5-foot box. This has the FX4 off-road package, which includes skid plates, and you also have a 3.5-liter V6 engine paired with an automatic transmission, and it's a 4x4. And you've got a line box in wood, and also you have a power tailgate and many other features. If you'd like to take this vehicle out on a test drive, you can book it online at islandford.ca. Stay tuned. We're going to have a look under the hood and inside and out. This is a 3.5-liter V6 engine paired with an automatic transmission, and it's a 4x4. Let's have a look inside. Storage and speaker in the door, as well as power locks, windows, and mirrors. The driver's seat is powered with lumbar. All-weather mats on the floor with the F-150 badging, electronic parking brake, high mount light, lighting controls, LED side view mirror spotlights, tailgate release, and a running board and grab handle, just making it easier to get in. On the face of the steering wheel, we have our lane keeping and cruise control, as well as our volume. And then we have our menu and hands-free dialing. And this is a push start. So foot's on the brake, keys in the pocket, and we're gonna push the engine start stop button. You're gonna see any important messages, the odometer reading, and we can go into the menu and choose different options. They all have sub-menus. At the top, we've got a little cubby. We've got your camera here. So we're not in gear. We're simply taking a look before we head out and just see what's going on. We can get out of there. Hazard lights, hill descent, traction control, and we have our navigation. You see it's highlighted, so we've got the map there. We can choose our destination. We can go into audio and choose our sources, AM, FM, Sirius satellite radio, as well as Bluetooth. We can go into our settings, and when we go in there, we can actually change the look of the display screen. So right now, with the brightness, we can choose to brighten it up a little bit, and it could be that the person before us wanted it to be a little bit darker, and we can go brighter and darker as we wish on that. And then as well, so it's in night mode, let's go in there and let's change it to day. We can do that and then see it brightens it up. And then we're in features, and you've got your driver assistance, zone lighting, towing, and your owner's manual. And when we put the vehicle in gear, so now we're in reverse, we're seeing what's behind us, center line, green, yellow, red, just how close we are to other objects or vehicles, and that's right off the bumper. Let's put us back into park, volume and tuner, and then down below, dual climate control, dual heated seats, your fan, AC and max AC, and your front and rear defrost. And down in the cubby, we have a USB-C and USB, plus a place to put things. And then a Pro Trailer backup, integrated trailer brake controller, and our 4x4 with locking differential and our drive mode. So we can go into drive mode, just dial through, and you can see the icons change. So there's normal, tow haul, and you see it's highlighted at the top, eco, and sport. And then I'm going to go the other way, and it's slippery, deep snow sand, mud ruts, and rock crawl. So as road conditions, weather conditions change, whether you're towing, whatever you're doing, you can change the different drive modes to get more or less control and traction. And then you have an automatic select shifter, which you can make go down. And you would do that, just give you a flat surface. You got a couple of cup holders. You can bring that back up if you want. Your armrest opens up. You've got lots of room in here. Nice little bin. You've got a charge port down below. And then off to the side is your 12 volt and your 120. 2 glove compartments, lower one's locking, grab handle in the body. And then you also have your auto dimming rear view mirror, lighting controls, sunglass holder, and you've got a power sliding window in the rear, and that's what that's for. 18-inch wheels, mud flaps, black running boards, body color door handle with intelligent access. That means when the fob's in close proximity, you can lock and unlock the doors, and keyless entry keypad. Driver's side, capless, easy fuel gas filler. The FX4 off-road package, which includes skid plates, and your backup cameras just above the handle, backup sensors on your bumper. You also have a 4- and 7-pin connector, trailer hitch, and a locking spare tire. When you're ready to bring down that tailgate, all you have to do is double-click your fob. It powers it down for you. Now, it's a little bit weighted, and I'll show you why. The previous owners added wood to the back, which is kind of neat, and still have your tie downs. And then when you're ready, just close it back up, lock it up and walk away, or jump in and head out on your latest adventure. Storage and speaker in the door, as well as power windows, grab handle in the body, and seating for 3 with a 60-40 split. Simply lift the seat with one hand. It gives you more room on the floor, and then to bring it down, just pull the tab. Anchors at the base to be able to tether baby seats, slim pockets on the back of the front seat, and all-weather mats on the floor. And then a couple of cup holders in the center there. You've got a 12-volt as well as air vents on each side, your USB outlets, 120-volt, grab handle on the driver's side, hooks and lighting at the side, and in the back, access to a power sliding window with rear defrost. Trailer tow hitch in the rear, 5.5-foot box. You have mud flaps, privacy glass in the back windows, adjustable side view mirrors with blind spot information system, and you have halogen headlights, fog lights, tow hooks, and so many more reasons to visit us. If you like this video and would like to see more, please subscribe. We have plenty to share with you, and we love to hear your comments.